So here I'm doing an unboxing, but my camera has stopped recording. So we're like midway, half through the unboxing. But this is Color Street. This is the starter kit, and these are the nail polishes that came with the kit. There was a total of 13 nail polishes, and in the month of March, you got 5 additional nail polish strips. So it came to a total of 18. Right here we have the French Manicure, the one that I'm showing right now. It came with 4 files, 2 long ones with 2 cases, and then 2 with like the file and the buffer and the shine. That is the carrying case in the case or in the box. Then we have the nail polish prep pads. Those are to help to prep the nail before you put the nail polish on there. And then we have 2 boxes of nail polish remover. These are the files that come for you to be able to give samples. And then you have the cuticle pusher. You have the catalog. And then you have the brochure. And the last is a kind of a book for you to kind of like start information and stuff to keep track. Then these are the 5 additional nail polish strips that you received in the case or the starter kit for the month of March. And we have that Tokyo lights. Then you have that glitter one that's white with glitter. Then you have a glitter pink. I don't have the names. You have like a blue. That one's pretty too. So in the starter kit, you get quite a few things for you to be able to like start the Color Street business. Definitely something that you can play with. I think you get a lot for the price point. So the kit is $129 plus tax, and then you pay for shipping. So I paid a total of $155, and when you kind of divide it just in the strips alone, they're about $10 each that you're paying for. And when you do individual, your strips are $13 for glitter, and then the French is $14. So right there you're kind of making you know, the price is a little bit better. And then you have all those samples that you're able to give to clients or actually practice on yourself